Construction shapes the world we live in. It builds our cities, our infrastructure, our homes. Yet it is one of the most emission-intensive sectors. Powering heavy machinery still depends on fossil fuels. These machines operate under demanding conditions. Electrifying them is difficult. Power requirements are high. Reliability is key. Synhelion supplies its customer Eberhard with synthetic diesel produced at its Dawn plant. As a drop-in solution, it can directly replace fossil fuels. No modifications, no new infrastructure, no operational disruption. Same performance, but with lower net CO2 emissions. Renewable synthetic fuels are an essential solution for sectors that rely heavily on energy-dense liquid fuels. Aviation, maritime, heavy transportation, and now also construction. Join us as we are fueling a net zero future.